Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download torrent files on Android using the uTorrent app. The process is simple and only takes a few steps. Before you begin, make sure you're only downloading content that you have the legal right to access. First, open the Google Play Store, search for uTorrent, and install the app on your Android phone. Once the installation is complete, open the uTorrent app and allow any required permissions, such as access to your device's storage. Now, get a torrent file, .torrent, or a magnet link from a legitimate source that has permission to distribute the content. If you have a torrent file, tap on it and choose uTorrent to open it. If you have a magnet link, simply tap the link, and it should automatically open in the uTorrent app. The app will display information about the download, including the file name, file size, and the folder where it will be saved. Review the details, then tap Add or Download to start downloading. The download progress will appear in the uTorrent app. Depending on your internet speed and the number of available peers, the download may take a few minutes or longer. Once the download is complete, you can open the file directly from the uTorrent app or locate it using your phone's file manager. That's it. You now know how to download torrent files on Android using the uTorrent app. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available online sources and research, not on my personal experience. Only download or share content that you have the legal right to access. Downloading or distributing copyrighted material without permission may violate the law in your country. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.